everyone, so this is my Google Maps Earth, and I'm going to be showing you just some of my favorite places, some places that just resonate with me, places that I miss, and places where I want to go. So first I'm going to start off with where I used to live. I used to live in East Los Angeles in Boyle Heights, and it was exactly in this house. I miss it a lot. Next I'm going to show and talk about where my parents used to live. My parents used to live, they're both from Sahuayo, Michoacan, which is in Mexico. Just going to show some pictures of what it looks like. This is a mask that is worn during a festival with a parade. It's really fun. They do it during the summer. And then also just another picture of the Placita. So a really well-known place there that a lot of people tend to visit. Then I'm going to start off with a place where I miss going. So a lot of these places are local. So a lot of these places are places I miss going due to the coronavirus, but I can't go, unfortunately. So the first one has to be Marshall Canyon, which is in Laverne. I used to love coming here after classes on campus. It's one of like my secret havens. I absolutely love it here. It's my favorite trail, and I really miss it a lot. Another place where I miss going to is Little Tokyo in Los Angeles. It's just one of my favorite places to have fun and just, enjoy, the culture and the food. So I really miss going there as well. And then one more place I miss going to is, it's really stereotypical for anybody who's lives in California, is the Venice Beach Boardwalk. I love it. It resonates with me a lot, these three places, because when I used to live in Los Angeles, they were just so close by. So it's really sad I can't even go to these places right now because of the virus, but it's okay. We can wait. And then a place where I would like to visit to go eat would have to be Italy, Rome, because I would love to eat just some really good, decent, authentic Italian cuisine, because I'm really tired of eating Olive Garden and having Italian people tell me that isn't real Italian food, and I apologize because I'm only, good in my own cuisine, which is Mexican food, so I really need to explore my taste in real Italian food, not imitation. And another place I would like to visit, but to buy stuff, would have to be in Tokyo, Japan. And it would just probably have to be just to buy a bunch of Hello Kitty stuff. That's where Hello Kitty was born and raised, Tokyo, Japan. So I would just love to go to Tokyo, Japan, and just appreciate all the um, Hello Kitty hallmarks. It's pretty famous. And that's about it. Thank you so much.